Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to connect your WhatsApp to your laptop. First, download WhatsApp application from Microsoft Store. After open your WhatsApp application, you'll see a QR code on the screen. Now open WhatsApp on your phone and scan the QR code showing on your laptop screen. That's it. Your WhatsApp is now connected to your laptop. Now you can send messages, photos, and even use voice notes directly from your computer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this.